my next item on the list is, ta-da! The Spiral Slicer.
You know, I love these things. Honestly, I enjoy using this. It's very therapeutic.
So this is supposed to be a quick and easy item. It is very simple, but you can slice your cucumbers, you can slice your zucchinis, you can slice your
anything.
Carrots.
Yeah, carrots.
And this one, we've actually tried. We did a video on a slicer before, which looks like a pencil sharpener. Very interesting. But this one is a little different because, as you can see here, first thing that we notice is the items. This one comes with a little cover or cap, and it looks like it has a little spike, so you can put your food in there, holds it up, and then you see the pencil sharpener.
Yeah, it looks like a pencil sharpener.
Thingamajig. You put the item here, and then you twist. So inside you see it has the different kinds of teeth and different ones you want to do. That has two. So if you go this way, it'll shred or kind of like open it in like spaghetti form. Yeah. But if you go the other way, it'll do it in like a slicing of like a pizza. How do you like a ham type thing, you know, smooth out. So it's very simple. It's just taking it and slicing. We don't have something, you know, nothing to slice here. Oh, that's right. It also comes with a brush.
Yeah.
So basically, when you finish, you have to clean it. No, I'm just kidding. So this is basically a brush to clean the little teeth inside, because the food may actually get stuck in there. I've never seen one that came with.
Yeah. No, that's why I'm really impressed. This one is pretty cool. I mean, as you can see it here, just fit it through and you can get it cleaned up. That's one of the most annoying parts about these items sometimes, the cleanup. Yeah. But this looks like it's going to be a easy breezy Japanesey, as they call it.
Wow.
So do these things
He said that. He said that. So this thing really comes off easy for easy cleaning. It has two little hooks on each end. All you have to do is kind of line them up and then just put it in there, and then you're good to go. That's it. Boom, they're ready to go, and they don't move to the side, and there it is. And all you do is just kind of tilt to the side. So we will put this guy to the test in a future video, but right now, Alex, I just love the Spiralizer. I can't wait to use it. This is so entertaining for me. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and
hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
We'll see you on the next one.
TeamKLoWhat
Reviews.